I designed a complete storage system for the rabbiting router bit that I sell. It has labels for bearing rabbit depth and makes each bearing accessible, and holds the bit in a recess that keeps it from spinning to make bearing changes easier. If you bought a kit to make this storage system, this video will show you how to get it assembled. Okay, this print is done. Let's get this all nicely packed up. I'll just grab these little pins here. Ugh. And that's why, along with better print quality, that the parts will come on a raft. But let's work on the trays first. The trays come off of the laser with a protective film on them for better cuts and engraving. So the first thing you do is peel this off. You can see I'm using the point of an X-Acto knife to get them started. Next, the pins are glued to each of the discs, and then the pins plus disc is glued onto the trays. Smallest discs go with the biggest rabbit numbers. Now I'm trying very hard to get good print quality, and if one of your parts is really messed up, I will of course replace it. But if, for example, there was a slight peel up on the largest disc, like I have here, gluing and pinning it down is a really easy fix that I would hope you could try. And now we arrive at the tedious task of removing the support material from the body of the storage system. Have a knife, needle nose pliers, punches, pokers, etc. ready. Expect getting the body fully cleaned up to take about 15 minutes. Now we start really putting things together. The trays slot into the body, bigger discs on the bottom, and the rod thing that the bearings are on in the original package fits up through the bottom of the body and goes through the pivot holes in each of the trays to hold them in place. It's a snug fit, so there will be some fiddling around getting everything aligned, and I can't promise that you won't need a bit more aggressive persuasion to get it all together. Just really make sure you have your alignment right before going to this step. One thing I didn't show, the kit comes with a screw that threads into the top of that shaft, so get that tightened down. And now it's time to get it mounted. Drill the first hole wherever you want this set up, and drive a screw through the first cleat, and then fit the layout template over that cleat. Now you can level up the template and install the next two cleats using the template. Pull the template off and the whole thing is ready to mount. Put everything in its place and you're set to go. Link in description if you want to buy one. That gray filament is out of stock actually, but you will see an option for black, which I am printing now. So if you want it quicker, go with the black.
Dad, how is it turning?
Well, you gotta join my channel to learn how I did that.